what is the speed of the transverse waves in the wire when the length of the wire is 1 meter. Okay, let us do the problem here. Now here we know that F it is equal to 1 by 2L root of T by mu. So in this case, the tension and the mu is constant, only the length is changing. So therefore here I can say that F it is inversely proportional to the length. So therefore here F1 by F2 it is equal to L2 by L1. Now let us consider L1 it is equal to 1.05 and L2 వచ్చేసి 1 meter అనుకుంటున్నాము. This is 1 by 1.05. Now here from this it is clear that F2 value is greater than F1 value. So here F2 value is greater than F1 value. And also here they have given that these two produces here Ft and Fs means frequency of the tuning fork and frequency of the string produces 5 beats per second when lengths are 1.05 meter and 1 meter. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే బీట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఉంటుందో ఈ బీట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ వచ్చేసి ఈ రెండు ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది రైట్ అంటే f1 is the frequency of the string when the length is L1 and f2 is the frequency of the string when the length is L2. And also here we can write this one as the frequency is equal to v by 2L and transverse channel. We have to find out the speed only. Okay, so therefore here whatever the tuning fork, whatever the frequency of the tuning fork is there, it will be in between f1 and f2, right? f1 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు the beat frequency వచ్చేసి 5 అని ఇచ్చాడు. f2 అనే frequency తీసుకున్నప్పుడు కూడా the beat frequency between the ft and f2 will be 5. అంటే the frequency of the tuning fork will be in between f2 and f1. Beat tuning fork frequency వచ్చేసి f2 and f1 మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. f1 and f2 ఏంటి? That is the frequency of the string though, right? Okay, so this is the frequency of the string when the length it is L2. Clear? Or else from this here we can write f2 minus ft gives how many number of frequency beats here? 5. And also ft minus f1 it is equal to how many beats? 5. So therefore రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేసి minus and plus get cancel. So therefore f2 minus f1 it is equal to 10 వస్తుంది. f2 it is equal to v by 2l2 minus v by 2l1 it is equal to 10. Right? So v by 2 common తీసుకున్నాను. 2 అటు వెళ్ళిపోతే 20 వస్తుంది. So therefore v of L1 minus L2 by L1 into L2 it is equal to 20. Now let us substitute the values here. What is the value of L1? It is 1.05 minus 1 by 1.05 into 1. It is equal to 20. Now further calculation cheste it is equal to 0.05 by 1.05. On calculating this one, on solving, v value is equal to 420. It is equal to 420 meter per second. Therefore, the option 3 is correct. Let us consider letter n be the frequency of frequency of first tuning fork అనుకుంటున్నాను. Frequency of first tuning fork. Okay. So first tuning fork frequency మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ వచ్చేసి మళ్ళీ ఎన్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయాలన్నా 4 బిట్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది. అంటే n ప్లస్ 4 ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. అప్పుడే కదా డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చేసి 4 అవుతుంది కదా. అర్థమవుతుందా? రైట్. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ మరి ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ థర్డ్ ఫోర్త్ ట్యూనింగ్ ఫోర్త్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఎంత ఉంటున్నాను? n+4 n+4 తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, n+4 రెండు కూడా మైనస్ ఇంటూ 0 అయిపోతుంది. మనకి ఎన్ని కావాలి బీట్స్? 4 బీట్స్ కావాలి. అంటే ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? n+8 అవుతుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ట్యూనింగ్ ఫోర్క్, ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఆఫ్ ద సెకండ్ ట్యూనింగ్ ఫోర్క్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద బీట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ బిట్వీన్ ద ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఫోర్క్? Beat frequency between the second and third, 4. Right? Beat frequency between the third and the fourth and +4. 8 plus 4 and 12. ఇలా కౌంట్ చేసుకుంటా వెళ్తే, right? First, second, third, fourth, 5, so on up to 25. 25th tuning fork frequency ఎంత? 288 Hz. Now, this is in the form of AP, arithmetic progressions, right? So here we know the formula. We know the formula for arithmetic progressions. In the formula, L is equal to A plus of capital N minus 1 into R. ఇదేంటి సార్ ఇప్పుడు వినలేదనుకుంటున్నారా? తెలిసిందే. తెలుసా తెలీదా? ఓకే, ఏంటి టర్మ్స్ ఏంటి ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. వాట్ ఈస్ L indicates? L indicates the last term. And what is E indicates? E indicates the first term. Avuna? Where N indicates the number of terms. And what is R indicates? R indicates the ratio. Where R indicates the, sorry, ఇది AP లో ఉంది కదా, రేషియో కాదు, తీసుకోవాల్సింది. GP అయితే రేషియో వస్తుంది. కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్. Where R is the common difference. I hope మీకు ఈ ఫార్ములా తెలుసు అనుకుంటున్నాను. Okay, now substituting all these terms. Last term and the frequency 288. It is equal to first term frequency and the, we don't know, n anukunnam, plus capital N indicates number of terms. N unnai 25. So 25 minus 1 into common difference and the common difference between the first and second, third and fourth. Common difference is 4 into 4. So therefore 288 is equal to n plus of 24 into 4. So therefore 288 minus 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9. It is equal to n. So therefore 288 minus 96. It is equal to 192 Hz. So this is the minimum frequency of the tuning fork. We know that frequency is equal to 1 by 2 L root of T by mu. So therefore here L it is constant, mu it is constant. So therefore frequency is directly proportional to root T. So therefore F1 by F2 it is equal to root of F1 value, sorry, T1 value 169 by root of T2 value 196. So 169. What is the value of root of 169? 13. It is nothing but 13. Root of 196, it is 14. So here F1 value is equal to 13, F2 value is equal to 14. So therefore here F2 it is greater than F1. Now according to the problem, this tuning fork produces how many beats? 6 beats with the sonometer wire when the tension is 169 and 196. And the tuning fork frequency వచ్చేసి it will be in between F1 and F. So therefore here F2 it is greater than Ft, it is greater than F1. Tuning fork frequency వచ్చేసి F1 and F2 మధ్యలో ఉంటుందన్న. Okay. So here what is F1? F1 it is equal to 1 by 2 root of T by T2 by mu. And sorry. Now here F2 minus F1 it is equal to how many bits are produced? Produced 6 bits. Alani Ft minus F1 how many bits are produced? The 6 bits are produced. So therefore Ft and Ft can cancel. So F2 minus F1 it is equal to 12. What we have to find out? We have to find out the frequency of the fork. Tuning fork frequency find out here. Okay, let us do here. What is F2? F2 it is equal to 1 by 2L. 1 by 2L root of T2 by mu minus 1 by 2L same length. Tension changes. T1 by mu is equal to 12. Now, taking common now. 1 by 2L root mu. Taking common of 1 by 2L root mu common this way. Root T2 minus root T1. It is equal to 12. What is the root T2? And the root of 196. 196 is nothing but 14. Root of 169. And it is equal to 13. And 14 minus 13. 14 minus 13 it is equal to 1. So therefore here what you will get 1 by 2L root mu value vachina which is equal to 12. So therefore we have to find out the frequency of the tuning fork. Edo equation తీసుకుందాం Ft is equal to. So here the frequency of the tuning fork it is equal to frequency of the sonometer plus 6. The equation తీసుకున్నాను second equation. So therefore Ft is equal to F1 it is equal to 1 by 2L root of T1 by mu plus 6. Okay, 1 by 2L root mu value anta 12 kada. So Ft is equal to 12 into root T1 root 169 it is equal to 13 plus 6. So 12 into 13 12 into 13 156. So Ft is equal to 156 plus 6 which is equal to 162 Hz.